Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Quadratec flashlight holder available for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. The holder mounts conveniently right on the side of your driver's seat, giving you easy, quick access to a flashlight when you need a little extra light at night. Where it mounts here on the seat rail will not affect any of the operation of your driver's seat, either in the up or down direction or forward or back adjustment, and it installs easily with all included hardware. Now, if you have a 2007 to 2010 2- or 4-door Wrangler, you will have one hole already in place on the seat rail. You will have to drill a second hole to mount the bracket. If you have a 2011 or newer 2-door Wrangler, you'll have a piece of plastic trim here that you'll actually have to drill into to mount the bracket. If you have a 2011 or newer 4-door Wrangler, well, you'll find both holes already in place on the seat rail. Simply align the bracket and install using the M5 by 12 millimeter screws and whiz nuts, tightening them down with the 3 millimeter Allen key. It's just that easy to get the bracket installed here on your seat rail. Now, it is available in a kit that includes both the bracket and our Quadratec 3D cell LED projector flashlight featuring an adjustable focus ring, or you can simply buy the bracket by itself, as the holders will accommodate most D-cell flashlights available on the market. Now, if you guys want to get any more information or purchase the Quadratec flashlight holder and Quadratec LED 3D cell flashlight for your 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the flashlight or the flashlight holder, you can leave those for us in the comments section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And you'll definitely want to hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.